How to disable link history on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will walk you through the process of disabling link history on Instagram. For that, you want to open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Once you have been logged into your account, you first want to open a link that you trust from the Instagram. The link is going to be opened on the Instagram app itself. Now you want to tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Here you have different options. Select the one that says Browser Settings. Here, the browser settings is displayed. You have different options. In the section of link history, you have an option of Allow link history. All you want to do is toggle this option off. Once you toggle this option off, a pop-up will appear. Here it says, once you toggle this option off, you won't see links to sites that you have visited on Instagram in-app browser from the past 30 days. Any recent links will be cleared from your link history and you won't be able to see them. When you don't allow link history, Instagram won't save your link history or use that information to improve your ads across Meta technologies. If you agree, tap on the option of Don't Allow. Additionally, you can also tap on Clear Link History and clear all of the previous link histories as well. And this is how you can disable link history on Instagram. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.